Hello guys, Angeli here. Welcome to a brand new video on our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Canva in less than 2 minutes. Canva is a free publishing software where you can make a lot of different things. You can make banners, flyers, Facebook videos, YouTube icons, thumbnails, and much more. What's great about Canva is that it's free and you can get a lot out of it in the free version. It's very simple and easy to use. Let's get started. First, you have to make an account or log into your existing account. You may pick a template first to make your design. If it's for social media, you can just click on social media and it will give you different kinds of template for the design you're going to make. After you click social media, the screen will pop up, and as you can see, it gives you a bunch of choices for the type of design you're going to publish. I chose Facebook ad and it gave me the actual size for Facebook ad image. You may also change the size if you need to. On the left side, you may type what kind of design you're looking for and templates will pop up. You can now start to design your template or leave it as it is, or change the wordings in it if you need to. I chose this template. Now I'm going to show you how to edit the image. To change the image or text, all you have to do is click on the image or text first. Click on Uploads and then upload the image that you want to put on your design. Drag it to the template. I uploaded a new image from Google and dragged it to the template to change the image of my design. To change the wordings, all you have to do is click on the words and type what you want your design to say. To download the design, click Share and then Download. There are different options on how you want to share or download the design you just made when you click More on the very bottom. Guys, I just showed you how to edit a template or image on Canva. Making videos on Canva is similar to editing images. On my next video, I am going to show you how to add music on videos and edit videos on Canva. So stay tuned, friends.